Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to ensure that your chat backups are securely encrypted, protecting your sensitive conversations from unauthorized access. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Chats. Here, you will find various options related to your chat settings. Under Archives Chat section, tap on this Chat Backup option. Here, you will now see this end-to-end encrypted backup option. Simply tap on it. By default, this feature is disabled. Now, to turn it on, simply tap on this button below. Here, to protect your encrypted backup, you have to either create a password or use 64-digit key instead. Choose which one you prefer and just do the following procedures. For example, I will choose Create Password. In this page, simply type in your password and once you are done, tap on Next. Here, you need to retype your password, then tap on Next. In this page, tap on this Create button to complete the process. After that, you now have successfully enabled end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. Your chat backups will now be safely stored on your chosen Google account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.